Hello, greetings, welcome everyone. Alright, today's topic, I don't know if there's a classical Buddhist word for it, but it's an aspect of lifestyle of a practicer. What is a practicer? How do you identify as a practicer? And people say, are you a practicer? And a practicer is a person who is dedicated to personal development, spiritual development, lifestyle development, to be on a spiritual path. Now, as a practicer, there's how do you invest your time? How do you invest your money to aid your spiritual growth? So let's say the worst possible investment of time and money would be to go into a bar, drink alcohol, neutralize your own spiritual potential, and waste time and money. An efficient use of time and money would be to invest in your education in the spiritual discipline or area of life where you want to develop. So if you're interested in medicine, you invest in a medical degree, and you get a very, very high quality noble path of service through that. And if that was your path in life, when you look at investing in education, it changes the mental perceptions of your experience, which change your emotional perceptions and your physical lifestyle. So investing in information and learning from the mental body changes the astral and physical structure of your life. So when it comes to how you invest your time and your money, this is pretty obvious that you want to put it into what makes you grow. Now, some people go, oh no, you have to save money. Well, you can't take it with you. Some people go, oh no, I've got to own a TV, I've got to own this, and you've got to own possessions. They're in all probability going to distract you from your spiritual growth. So there's this planning of your lifestyle to amplify your growth potential. So the way you regulate your lifestyle and plan out how you invest your time and your money aids in that growth. On a side note, we're on Temple 11 of the 88 Temple Pilgrimage, and this particular temple has the oldest sort of feeling. I don't think they've rebuilt this one for a long time. It's quite ancient type of vibe here. I'll stay nestled on the side here because of the wind. So I won't do the full tour. But back on track, lifestyle. All right, so for instance, with myself, when I plan out my use of time and I plan out my use of money, I'm always looking at a return on investment of time and money in relation to my spiritual growth. Some people will be looking at a return on investment in a financial view, that they make money out of their education. Some people will be looking at building the family and building the family's finances through how they invest their time and money. Everyone has a different goal, obviously, but spiritually it comes back to when you die, what's the center of gravity or frequency of your spirit? And the center of gravity or frequency of spirit dictates the place your spirit goes to after death. So if you have high quality mental experiences, high quality astral experiences, high quality physical experiences, the center of gravity of consciousness will vibrate at a much higher level than people who are engaging in detrimental behaviors, feelings, and thoughts. So from a perspective of a practicer, we want to take those things into consideration. Each one of those choices, I make a measurement of value. When let's say, choose to come to a place like this, it's expensive for hotels, it's expensive for airfares, it costs a lot of money. It's a large investment of time. This trip is taking a whole month to do these temples. But when I look at the return in relation to my spiritual growth, it's huge. I get to concentrate on Buddha's light and cultivate that light through the journey. And you're walking with Kukai, so you're invoking Kukai into your spiritual space and opening up a feeling, visual and auditory relationship with that particular deity. And that return is very, very, very high, because so many people over the last 1,200 years have done this pilgrimage and walked with Kukai. The mental space is very, very, very open. So the return on the investment of time and money in relation to spiritual growth is extremely high on a choice like this. And when you're making those choices, there'll be a spiritual, almost like a spiritual high when you're contemplating doing it versus an emotional high. It's a different thing. We have emotional highs about, oh, I want to go and stay on that island on a beach. And it's a behavioral conditioned cultural thing of that's a cool thing to do, versus the concept of going to a spiritual place where the spirit rises and the energy moves upwards into a more refined state, and you get that feedback from spirit, from your body, from your astral. That's a high frequency choice. So when you're getting a measurement of the return on your investment of time and money, you'll find your own scale of, that's a high return investment, and other things are a low return investment, and you'll figure it out pretty quickly. Okay, we'll leave it there for this video, but I will see you guys on the next video.